Sam is up to something weird again.
I'm stuck!
How did this happen?
These chips are so delicious, but it's so hard to get them out, so I couldn't keep the balance and fell into the can.
Huh, I think I know what to do about this. Let's make a Pringles chips dispenser.
That's totally genius! Let's start our craft.
Sam, bring the cardboard.
Cardboard delivered, ma'am. What do we start with?
Huh, maybe saying hi to our viewers?
Oops. Hi, guys.
Without a reminder, you keep forgetting it. Hi, everyone.
I just got carried away. By the way, not to forget about the new video, hit the bell button right there.
While you were talking about the bell button, I finished cutting the cardboard. By the way, we will need 3 sets of those, and we start with gluing the parts.
If you're gluing, I won't get in your way. I'll cut the other 2 sets for the can holders.
But be careful with the cutter. Don't forget that it is very sharp. And you guys as well. Better ask an adult to help you.
What do you take me for? Caution is my... which name is this?
Maybe 10th? Right after Mr. Bragg. Oh, or the fastest slime in the world.
Excuse me. I'll cut everything out now and we'll see who did it better.
Sam, don't be mad at me, but it's true.
Maybe I like to gloss things over a little, but it doesn't mean that I'm a brag. And yes, caution is my 3rd name.
Sammy, I'm just teasing you. You're so vulnerable when it comes to things you're good at.
See, you do admit I'm the best slime in the world, and I'm not boasting.
Well, maybe just a tiny little bit.
Oh, what do you mean a bit? Oh, shoot, watch it.
For the cylinders, I will use special flexible cardboard. Sam, are you done yet?
If you didn't distract me, I would be.
Sam, please bring the wooden barbecue skewers.
Sure.
3 pieces.
I'll never finish with the cardboard at this rate. Here are your skewers. Try to do without me in the next 5 minutes.
Sammy, how can I do without you? You're my main helper.
Really?
Of course. I'm not sure that I could make any crafts without you.
No wonder.
Well, I actually managed some.
Oh, yeah? Then deal with it alone.
Oh, Sam, forgive me. I was just musing.
Fine. After all, we are making this dispenser for me. Okay, I'll go finish the holders.
Phew, we avoided the storm.
I just spared you.
And I'm happy about it. Now we remove all the extra stuff and one holder is almost ready. Next, we have to make the handles for the dispenser from cardboard circles like this. Sam, are you ready?
Yep.
Be so kind and add the cylinders to the holders and I will proceed with the handles.
All right, in a moment.
We hold the construction and put the circles carefully right here. And clip off the excess.
Done. Look, I made 2 holders while you made 1. And who is the best master now?
Oh, Sam, of course, it's you.
That's better.
So, Sammy, should we start assembling the body of our dispenser?
It's about time.
By the way, Sam, what's your favorite chips flavor?
Let me think. Should I name just 1?
Not really. The dispenser is meant for 3 cans, so you can name 3.
Then it's sour cream, paprika, and pickles.
Pickles?
Aha! Lightly salted pickles. Super delicious.
Sam, did you know that there are chocolate chips?
Chocolate?
Yes, chips made of chocolate, but you have to eat them fast because they're very fragile and they melt fast in your hands.
Whoa! I didn't know that! Now I just have to try them!
Then we have to go to the grocery store and buy you a package.
Oh, I'm sure the taste will be unforgettable. Guys, what's your favorite chips flavor? Comment below. Sue, which one do you like?
I don't know. I like all of them, but maybe I like barbecue a little more.
Then one of the flavors here will definitely be barbecue.
Yep, I have the necessary label ready, and you can decorate the other handles with your flavors.
I made the labels as well.
Oh, pickles! Yeah, sure. I didn't doubt it.
What can I do? I love these chips.
We'll stick the arrows to know the spinning direction, and we're almost done.
Finally, I'm quite hungry already.
Maybe we should have lunch and leave the chips for a snack?
Nope, I just want to crunch with chips. And Lunch will be later.
Then bring the chip cans and we'll test our dispenser.
I hope to forget about sticking inside the can like a bad dream.
Sam, that was quite funny.
As if you've ever been stuck anywhere, even not for your favorite treats.
It happened once when my hand got stuck in a bag with gummies.
That's so cool, Sue! Nobody's stuck and no crumbs around.
Oh yes, I really like it when everything is set in place nicely.
That's because you're a neat freak. Sometimes she goes overboard. Sam, clean here! Sam, don't forget to pick up the trash after the game! Ugh.
Sam, I can hear you. If you don't want to get the 10th name Piggy, Sam, then you have to keep things clean.
Why, Piggy? I'm a very neat slime. Sometimes I just don't have time to pick up the trash because I'm super busy.
You mean super busy eating chips?
Exactly. Let's say bye to our viewers and go do some crunching.
Deal. Bye guys, subscribe to our channel.
And give a thumbs up and hit the bell button. Bye-bye!